Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the LG Microwave Turntable Motor. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new turntable motor. The turntable motor turns the glass tray. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's failed and the glass tray is not turning and your food's not cooking evenly. In order to change the part, we have to open up the microwave door. Now that we have the door open, we're going to reach in and take the glass tray and the support roller off. You just have to pull them out and set them aside. Then we're going to reach in and take the turntable coupler off. We're just going to use a putty knife and get underneath it and carefully lift on it. Once you have it free, you can pull it out and set it aside. Then we're going to close the door so we can go underneath and access the turntable motor. Since we don't have our microwave hung in the kitchen like you would, we have it laying on its back so we can access the bottom. You just have to reach underneath, and then we're going to use the Phillips screwdriver to take out the screws that hold the bottom panel on. Once you're getting the last screw out, you want to make sure you hold the panel so it doesn't fall. Once you have the last screw out, you're going to let the panel drop down a little bit. We're going to reach in and disconnect the wiring harness for the light bulb. All you have to do is unplug it. Then you can lift the panel off and set it aside. Now that we have access to the turntable motor, we can disconnect the wiring harness. Just have to reach in and pull it off. Then we're going to use a Phillips screwdriver to take out the screws that hold the motor in. Once you have the screws out, you can pull the turntable motor off the microwave. Here's the old turntable motor next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new turntable motor in, we're just going to line it up and put it through the hole. Once you have it lined up, we can use the Phillips screwdriver to put in the screws. Once you have it mounted, we can grab the wiring harness and plug it in. All you have to do is push it on, make sure you get a good connection. Once you have that on, we can put the bottom back on. To put the bottom panel on, you just want to make sure that this lip here goes in the lip inside the cavity. And then we're going to lift it up so we can reconnect the wiring harness for the light bulb. All you have to do is grab the wiring harness and plug it on. I want to make sure that the white is on the right and the black is on the left. Once you have the wire on, we're going to lift the panel up and use the Phillips screwdriver to put in all the screws. Once you have the screws in, we can put the turntable coupler back in. To put the coupler in, we're just going to open the door, and then if you look at the back of the coupler, there's a little D shape that has to line up with the D shape on the motor shaft. So we're just going to drop it down into place and then spin it until it drops down. Once it drops into place, we can put the turntable support and glass tray back in. To put the support in, you just want to set it into its little ring right there. And then we're going to set the glass tray onto the coupler. Just make sure it locks in there so it spins. Once you have it back in, we can close the door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.